Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find when s is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3 plus so on, and we have to find the sum of first 20 terms of the series. So we have the formula to find the n terms. So where n is here 20. So the formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here Sn is sum of terms. So n is number of terms, that is 20 they ask, and a is the first term, that is 1 in this case, and d is the difference, common difference. So if the common difference is same, then we can use this formula. So first we'll check the difference. So to calculate the difference, we can check, that is a2 minus a1 is equals to a3 minus a2. Are they equal? If they are equal, that means the difference is common. So a1 is the first term, a2 is the second term, and a3 is the third term. So our first term is 1. And second term is 1 plus 2 by 2. So that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 1. We'll take the LCM. So then 3 minus 2, 1 by 2. Now comes to A3. A3 is the third term. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 3 minus second term is 3 by 2. 6 by 3 we can write it as 2 minus 3 by 2. If I'll take the LCM, that is 2, 4 minus 3, that is 1. So our difference is same. So we'll put the value in place of D is 1 by 2. Now we have to find the sum of 20 terms. So S20 is equals to, in place of n, we can write 20 by 2. 2a means 2 times first term is 1, plus n is number of terms, that is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. Times difference is 1 by 2. Now S20 is equals to 20 divided by 2 is 10. Here 2 times 1 is 2 plus 19 by 2. Now S20 is equals to, if we multiply 10 with the bracket, so 20 plus 190 by 2. So S20 is equals to 20 plus 190 by 2. We can write it as 95, or you can take the LCM as well and then solve it. So 95 plus 20 is 115. So for this expression, the sum of first 20 term is 115. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.